True height. Michael Stone was a blind man who had a dream of flying. He wanted to become a pole vaulter to fulfill his dream. Pole vaulting is truly a glamorous event of any track and field competition. The sportsman has to combine the grace of a gymnast with the strength of a bodybuilder. It also has the element of flying. Hard words and their meaning. Pole vault, a sport in which you can use a long pole to swing over a high barrier. Michael's mother was a good motivator. Her stories had a great impact on Michael since his childhood. She told him a number of stories about flying as he was growing up. She described the land from a bird's eye view. Her excitement and passion for details made Michael's dream full of color and beauty. Hard word and its meaning. A bird's eye view. View of all the aspect of something. He developed passion and love for flying. She was very suggestive and encouraging. She always advised him to be relaxed and be like a free dreaming little boy. His mother used to tell him to take deep breaths when he felt tense, anxious, or even scared. On the other hand, Michael's father, Bert Stone, was not a dreamer. He was a hardcore realist. He believes in hard work and sweat. His motto was, "If you want something, work for it." The program was carefully monitored by his father, who was also his coach. Hard word and its meaning. Hardcore, strong. Motto, a saying that expresses aim and beliefs of a person. Michael drew inspiration from his mother to dream about his future and set a goal, and his father made him work hard to realize that dream. So, both these approaches had helped him fulfill his dream. Michael did a very systematic practice in weightlifting and running. He showed a lot of dedication, determination, and discipline. Michael worked hard from the age of 14. He began a very careful and regimented weightlifting program. He worked out every other day with weights and did running on attractive days. Constant preparation and determination were his vision. Hard word and its meaning. Regimented, strict and organized. It was a tense moment for Michael Stone. The intensity of the moment filled his mind with anxiety. His palms were sweating. He needed a towel to dry his grip. He began shaking off the tension from his body. He became more tense and nervous because it was the day which was going to make his dream come true. Michael cleared the bar at 17 feet and 4 inches in his first 2 trial jumps. He wanted to win the first place, so in the final jump, he cleared 17 feet 6.5 inches. He not only won the National Junior Olympics record, he was delighted at a smile on his mother's face. His father, Bert Stone, could not control his emotions and hugged his wife and cried. He shed the tears of pride. The people hugged him and congratulated him heartily on the greatest accomplishment of his life. It was because, though he was blind, he had won the National Junior Olympics, and he had also set a national and international Olympics record by clearing a distance of 17 feet 6.5 inches. Now, let us see some more hard words and their meanings. AstroTurf, a type of artificial glass surface used especially for sports grounds. Obsession, a state in which a person's mind is completely filled with the thought of one particular thing or person. Oblivious, not aware of something or unaware. Ritual, any customary observance or practice. Finger-tipped, the tips of fingers touching the ground. Envision, have a vision of somebody or something. Runway, running track. Sprinting down, running at a very fast speed. Swarmed with, surrounded by. Now, let us try to write the synonyms for some words. Words: quench, glamour, passion, persistence, arrogant, pounding. Now, the synonyms for these words are: quench, satisfy; glamour, attraction; passion, desire; persistence, continuity; arrogant, boastful; pounding, batter. The clause with as and when denote time, whereas since denotes reason. As and when refer to time, and the other parts state what happens at that time. The clauses containing these words are called adverbial clause. These adverbial clauses cannot stand independently, so they are called dependent clauses or subordinate clauses. The clause that stands on its own is an independent clause or main clause. Since denotes reason. The clause beginning with since states the reason and the other states the consequence. The linkers as, when, and since are placed before the clause to make them subordinate clause.
మా వీడియో గనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.